Welcome to Naples Desktop Repair Service. We offer expert desktop repair services in Naples, Florida, catering to both homes and offices with precision and care. Why choose us? Our service is fast and reliable, ensuring your desktop is up and running in no time. We come directly to your home or office for your convenience, offering affordable solutions tailored to your specific needs. We tackle common issues like slow performance or startup problems. Our team handles hardware repairs and replacements, software troubleshooting, and virus removal with expertise. Experience the convenience of professional desktop repair brought directly to your doorstep in Naples, Florida. No need to transport your desktop. We fix it on site. Get a transparent Naples Desktop Repair Service quote today. Call us at 239-942-8187 for pricing that is clear and straightforward. Skip the hassle of transporting your desktop. Our on-site service saves you time and stress, ensuring a smooth repair process. Our repair costs are designed to be budget-friendly, ensuring you receive quality service without breaking the bank. Whether it's a personal desktop or a business system, we handle it all with professionalism and expertise. We're not done until your desktop is running perfectly. Your satisfaction is our guarantee. Call 239-421-8187 or visit naplesdesktoprepairservice.com for expert repairs. Let's fix your desktop with our trusted service and years of experience. Don't wait. Contact us now for quick professional desktop repair.